Still recording.
Anyway, it's a shame that you can't come back for a while now.
I will miss you.
It's not actually fun, but actually I was just informed this morning that, I can brag you.
Oh.
I was just informed this morning that I'm going to get some oil.
Oh.
So I won't have to spare the oil as much. I can have heat.
Oh.
Now that the spring is coming, I'm going to have warmer.
Oh.
I mean, I needed it back in January, but I didn't, unfortunately, get it.
Yeah.
So now I get it.
See the forecast of our cards?
Huh?
The forecast of our cards we gave each other. The cards, our cards.
Oh yeah, I got that video.
So the the forecast of our cards.
Yeah, I got all of that. Yeah, it was nice.
This is what I gave me.
Yeah, you read them out, yeah.
But see them, like,
saw them.
yeah, nice and
Yeah.
this one I gave me.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw them. You sent me the pictures and the video. Yeah, I saw them. Yeah, they're nice. Yeah, I watched the video. I saw the flowers, yeah. The big cards. Yes, every night. The thing with AI now is going crazy with it because we're changing all the voices. I mean, you have to listen to Ed Sheeran is singing with all these different singers. No, it's Andrew Berlicelli that's singing with Celine Dion. And Ed Sheeran is singing with Lady Gaga. And Lady Gaga doesn't sound at all like Lady Gaga. And Celine Dion doesn't sound at all like Celine Dion. Like, it's terrible. It's like all the voices are gone. Like, what's the point? If AI is going to change all their voices, then sure nobody has to have a voice anymore.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? No. You don't have to bother about it. It's a shame, really. I don't think it's a good thing.
The forecast of the main album, so
Yeah, I would like to have gone there to see it.
some of the lights
I
out
would
there.
like to have seen it.
It's still the lights up there.
Oh, if we go to the Switch Mark, we stop there on the back. We could all get dressed up for a Christmas spirit, right? And then we could go and set the garage afterwards, with all the stuff.
Yeah.
See it? Well, again, 100% guarantee I'm going to be there on time. You know, and barely, it's not service. Barely, but I can try.
Very nice delicious.
See, I'd love to go with you where I can do my hair. But it's kind of hard to do the hair and it's kind of hard to do the hair and
Really good towards the end.
yeah, it'd be nice to go out afterwards, wouldn't it?
make it the toast.
It's fine,
Yeah. That's me now. I make toast. That's quite cold up there.
Yeah.
This is Sunday the 9th of February 2026. The average last up to the amount and balance day, but I'm not I was going to take this table here. Is him? Is him? He's about.
Yeah. No.
Hello, Arizona. Hello, Arizona. 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 Hello. Are you going to join me? Are you going to join me? Woohoo. Yoo-hoo. Arizona. You're going to say hello to me? He looked at me, he didn't look at me, he looked at me. And he put it, and he pointed his nose at me. The first met him on the 3rd of December, that was the first meeting, 3rd of December. And he obviously, we're going to say, he's at the stage where when I was said, oh, he turned his nose towards my direction. I mean, my direction. He looked at me, gave me a look. So that's the thing, he likes me, didn't like me, so he didn't get a look in. Well, I believe my first met was the 3rd of December. I don't know what else. He has to go to park and birthday. He has to go to find it. It's a month before that, it's the month. He has to go to find it. It's the month. So what's the news? It's November or something.
Tomorrow is Pancake Tuesday.
What was it, yeah?
They'll probably have pancakes on the stove.
Yeah. She thinks she may come tomorrow.
Huh?
She thinks she may come tomorrow, and maybe she suggested maybe going to be in that hotel.
I don't know, because, like, I can't guarantee, because
But when he shook hands on it, that he can't go back.
yeah, but I told you, like, I haven't.
She thinks she shook hands on it, that she can't go back. She said we both dressed up, we both dressed up for Invincible,
Yeah,
and then we
the thing
came
about
on
it
gas,
is,
and then go to be in our hotel afterwards.
how can I get an early enough start to justify, thanks, I mean, I hope we needed it. I'm making you buy things that maybe I didn't really need. Thank you.
You just get good at work.
Yeah. What else do you buy?
What's the white?
What else do you have in there?
Hot chocolate. So you're not having that sort of coffee.
Oh, what brand is that?
It's Slumberjack. I never tried hot chocolate before. I'm like, never bought it.
And what we would make it with water or milk?
I don't know, yeah. It's funny.
I used to make it with milk.
Here's the
Boiled milk.
two of them. It's the Shargo. One of those.
Thank you to come, miss.
I know, but how can I guarantee that I'm going to be there early enough,
An awful long journey to get there early, you know?
Yeah, like, if I'm not there early enough, it's just not going to be worth it,
In the restaurant,
I know, I just don't want to go over just to go to the restaurant, I want to go to kind of see the horses too, Well, I'd like to be there a little bit before lunchtime, What time do you go to lunch? 3? What time are you going to arrive? Well, tomorrow you're going to arrive earlier. So what time are you going to breakfast? So what time are you going to be there for breakfast? So you'll be there at 12. So if I get here at 10. And I make for breakfast. And then 12 right? I leave here at 10. I leave there at 12.
So what means you didn't hear time to get there
So
at 12?
here, you know, I probably won't do that.
I'll go.
Yeah, it's
That's
not-
fine. Sure we do
It
that.
doesn't finish in half, but breakfast doesn't finish in half.
You see these little glasses that I bought? Do I need to disinfect them?
You know, what would you, brand new? No, I wouldn't say
At the
so.
shop?
Yeah, I wouldn't say so.
No? You think just wash them and wash out the grease?
Yeah, yeah. Definitely, I wouldn't try to put yourself, put on yourself, you know, you want to there.
I think the camera in yet because I'm very hidden away in here.
I'm trying to bribe Tanya to come back sooner. I said to her that I was informed today that I'm getting a load of oil. I am. Yeah. You know that organization?
Yeah.
So I said to the woman then that was doing it, I said, like I spent 2 months cold. I said, it's not your fault. I said, I need to go and get a second job and, but I said, I did tell you that not to apply to that other place. I said that was no good. They said no to me and I said, you applied there. I said, that's why I'm in the cold for the last 2 months. And I said, I was in the cold for the last 2 months. I'm not happy with her because she totally went and did the opposite to what I told her to do. And she knew she was doing that. She was just giving me a hard time kind of. But then she calls this morning and says that they have approved it. So at least I don't. It's one less worry. That at least I won't have to watch every little bit that I use.
The light's coming a bit too strongly over there, but the curtain's open. Could you close it over a little bit?
Yeah, 1 second.
Just to get the.
I was trying to get these 2 dishes done out front here so that I could cook something.
Okay, if I close these over a little bit, but I want to see a shadow on the camera. Could you close them over a little bit? I'm only seeing a shadow there on it. Yeah.
I need to put on the other light.
I'm only seeing a
Just put this on.
yeah.
Let me just
I'm
put
only
this
seeing a shadow over there. So I'm very hidden away in there, so I get more action if I put the camera in here. I get more action if I put the camera in here. I'm very hidden in the living room. I keep walking in and out of the room, and I'm,
Yeah.
so you get more action in here.
Action.
Because we're all in here. You see, everyone's in the kitchen, so. I can leave the camera in here for a while. We can get all of us talking at the same time.
Yeah, I mean, it's a pity that we're not going out shopping, but I guess it's too late for that now.
Yeah.
It's a shame.
I can get about I can feel about just around an hour here without the camera, without the charger. I guess roughly about an hour without the charger in here. So I might move back in around now. So I get a bit push it in here. I'm very hidden away in that little my house. When I go in here, I'm avoiding my viewers.
Yeah.
So these the viewers can see me in here. So see me apple over here.
Yeah.
And it's a lovely room. This is a lovely room as well. So if I see other parts of the house other than just one room, just a lovely room and just a lovely kitchen here,
It's alright, it needs a bit of, needs to do a little bit with it.
Now, would you like a hand to drying up, darling?
Well, you can if you like.
Yeah, these are
Well, no, not those ones, no, because actually, I need to wash them. They were hanging there. They were hanging there and they fell, yeah. No, I have stuff here. I have these new ones and then there's these. Yeah. So I think, so I'm not sure which, oh shit.
that's fantastic one,
Yeah, these are new, So I mean, these ones I kind of got for Valentine's Day. I got them on sale in pennies, the pink. Yeah, I just need to, the only thing is, they're all caught in a you know, I have to take the tags off them and this thing here. I need to buy a scissors actually. Wonder will I use one of these?
This scissors and these things, I think you can use scissors.
Yeah, but you don't have to spend a lot of money on it. I mean, I can get it cheaper, or I can get it in Super Value or something. Should I use one of these pink ones?
I don't know, so.
Do you think they're clean? You know, I got them in pennies, but like, are they clean?
Yeah, they're not really open yet, so should be okay.
Yeah.
They're really open yet, so we should have.
I know, yeah. Some of these, see, I think some of these were washed, you know. Yeah, these, like, that smells clean, doesn't it? It smells clean, like I said, I have to wash a few of them. These were old ones, but that smells clean, doesn't it?
Mm.
Yeah, it does. I think that must have been washed.
Yeah,
I think it's alright. These ones I have to take the tags off. I wanted to cook something before you go, you know, but I want to do my dresses as well, so it's kind of hard to do both now, you know. Because you know when I'm dressed up, it's hard to go cooking. But I have to do the dressing up now because you're not coming back. Now I'm under pressure.
Your dresses
I don't like pressure.
When have you got to show?
Well, I just have a few. Four.
Where you put these glasses, you put them back on the table?
Yeah, I wonder if they washed enough. I kind of feel like I needed to put bleach on them or something. You know, that kind of way. Yeah, put them back on the table.
Look very nice. Where'd you get them?
I'll miss you now giving me a helping hand. What will I do? I only have the black ladies.
Where'd you get the glasses?
I got them in the same place as I got the cake stand. It's called Tiger. It's like this novelty.
That Tiger in the room.
Yeah. I mean, I never usually go in there, but I saw the cake stand and I just thought it was lovely. And I thought it was nice for Valentine's Day.
Is this on the book tree?
Yeah. I must wash the cake stand actually, and you could put the cupcakes on it. You know the little cakes you love.
I get me nervous with those milk trees.
Yeah, they don't really fit the cups right. That's the problem. Yeah, I need to get another way of displaying them.
You get hooks, you get the hooks on the wall.
I know.
You get milk hooks. You put them on the hooks.
Yeah. And how do you do that? You just they're magnetic. They kind of stick. They stick.
If you get stick on ones,
Yeah.
you get stick on ones.
Okay.
Online. I think it's on online. You get them on Amazon.
Okay.
You can get them on Amazon. I can get you some of yours. It'd be great if I got loads of them at home in my kitchen. It's great now. It's more safer than that because I'm afraid that they're smashing that thing.
Yeah, well, they do fall off. Yeah, they do.
Every glasses up.
Yeah. If you want, they go up there kind of on top of each other. See, this isn't a proper draining thing. You see, the drainer, I have the drainer in the other room because I need to disinfect it. Or that I thought I had to disinfect it. I just put one on top of the other. You see the brown ones? Just put that inside the brown one. Yeah, just in there. That's how I do it. Just, well, just in top of it. Well, it's alright. Yeah. I just put one in the other, you know. I pile them on top of each other. Because I don't have, I have too many cups. I have too many cups. I have to get rid of those cups actually.
I'll look up online for those hooks.
I just put in
those,
there. See that? Put that in there.
Yeah, I'll look online for those stick-on hooks for you.
Make another cup there.
Clear some of that space in that press there to put some on your wall.
Yeah.
It's not tidy too. There needs to be more space to put maybe more glasses in it.
Yeah, I have to get rid of some of the cups. They're not all my cups.
I love these big mug people. If you get loads of those. Where'd you get these ones?
Super Value. Yeah, Super Value. I got the red ones at Christmas and the yellow ones then during the year. Yeah. So sometimes super values, certain super values have kitchen stuff. In fact, they had a lovely tablecloth, and I wanted to get it for Valentine's Day. I didn't get a chance to go back.
Yeah.
It's pink with polka dots. Really nice, yeah.
I love these glasses. I love these glasses.
They were only €2.
Bitte ein Licht von uns. Bitte ein Licht von uns.
Yeah, pity. You can have one if you want. I might be able to get another one. Because they might still have them.
Sorry, I have some of those glove parking mugs. Don't worry about it. I have glove parking mugs at home, so it's just the same.
Well, if I can get another couple of them, I can save them for you.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, just
The last one next week.
I'll see if they still have them.
The last one next week on time. These are very, not very secure things, are they?
No, they don't really fit them. They were bought for different cups. You know, they came with the mugs that they came with were those small ones. You see the pink ones, the small ones. Yeah.
I'm afraid of smashing mugs.
Yeah, I know. It's not ideal.
I won't be getting in trouble for smashing people's mugs.
You don't want dragon ladies to
No,
To get-
it's not your one of the big ones over there. That won't be
on the prowl.
responsible for.
You don't want dragon ladies to be on the prowl.
I won't be responsible for breaking people's death. You know. I wouldn't feel comfortable about that, you know. I'd be very upset if I did that. If I broke somebody's death, you know. I'd be very upset if I did that. Especially 'cause it's so nice, you know. Especially when it's so nice. I love it dancing.
I wanted to get some of the dishes done so that I could cook. But I want to put on my dresses first. You know? If I go cooking now, I won't get anything done.
I'm glad to see these dresses. Did you go?
Well, it's my last day to do it now, sure. I'll have to do it now. I thought you were coming again.
I need to make the doctor's appointment. I haven't get checked up, you know. If they get on to me to get a check-up, you know, if they ring me to call them, I mean, the appointment, you know, the GP. I got a message from the GP to call the doctor, so we're going to make an appointment. I want to get my hair done as well.
Yeah.
Usually I want to get them. I didn't have the appointment on Friday, but he had to be scheduled for next Monday, so. Stuff.
Yeah, I have to go back to work now, so I have to focus on that as well. And do other things as well, so.
Show me about all these place stuff.
Oh yeah, you can go ahead and to drain if you want. Otherwise, see, I don't have a proper drainer because it's out there. I wanted to disinfect it, you see, because I didn't feel it was disinfected enough. So that's why I took the drainer from here. Because you see, the cat went up on the ledge out the utility room when I was putting the food, and she went up on the ledge. And because of that, I want to disinfect all out there. And the strainer was out there, so that's why I'm making do. I'm washing this in a pot, and the plastic thing. And I don't usually wash here, you see, because this is blocked.
Yeah.
So that's why I had everything out there.
Alright.
So I'm just making do with what I have in here until I can get out there finished. That's why I'm gonna ask Lean to help me with the washing out there, because I want to get it finished. Finally get it done, so that I can start washing out there again, you know.
What do you do about my fiance?
I know, yeah, what can I do? What will we do? We'll be lost. Well, you see, I kind of said that I thought I'd have to disinfect again. I'm too particular and drive myself crazy, whereas he's kind of quicker at it. I want to watch somebody who's quicker and learn and see if I can be quicker.
You're like me, I like to be thorough. You wash them up thorough and fill up the sink first, but he doesn't do that. He doesn't do up the sink like that.
Well, no, I wouldn't do it only for the cat goes up in the ledge. I mean, I wouldn't disinfect like that. I don't think you need to totally. It's just that because she was up there, I just have to try to say I have to disinfect everything. See, this sink is blocked here, so it's kind of difficult to be washing in it. To get that fixed as
That's
well.
why you're using the pouch, is it?
No, because the basin is out in the other place. And I need to disinfect, yeah. So I'm just making do with everything here. Trying to just get them so that I can have something to use until I can get everything washed out there. I have loads of stuff out there. I said if I had these few done, then at least I could cook something, you know. I could cook the eggs and the sausage. If I had these washed. And then at least we'd have a plate to eat off. We'd have some plates. Because I want to do the dresses, but I said I'd wash these first. So that's finished.
This is gorgeous, it's lovely. It's very nice patch about that. It's very nice. Give her a hand with the drying up.
Oh, good.
They're very good.
Yeah. She gets on film, you know, because it's rarely seen as wonderful.
Huh?
She gets it in film, the tiny little dishes, because what's rarely seen is wonderful, you know.
Yeah.
And you go down as one of the 8 wonders of the world.
Yeah.
That's all I miss.
Shut up! You're asking for a slap now. And you could get one and you go home.
Well, you get on there, Anna.
Huh?
You want to have
No,
Well-
quite happy with me, thank you very much. We're having a nice chat here.
Well, I thought I'd do these dishes before I put on my dresses because then I figured like at least I'd have something so that I could cook an egg or something before you go. I thought maybe I'd cook egg and sausage.
that sounds great. Keep us going during the journey, you know.
Yeah, egg and sausage and beans, something like that.
Great.
You know,
Sounds great.
and some toast or something. You know, can have kind of breakfast. You get a good run in the evening. You get a good run in the morning.
Have a brunch kind of thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
a brunchy. Like, get a good run in the breakfast. You get a good run in the day. You have breakfast before the night time. Yeah, I say this, but will it happen? Will it happen? I say a lot of things, but believe it when you see it.
I was saying to her that Sam listened to when space for the mugs, and I said I can get her those sticky hooks that go into the total ones we have for our mugs at home. And get some sticky hooks for her mugs. She just hasn't enough space in her press
Oh, yeah.
for our mugs.
Yeah.
So we can get those hooks, so the other ones we have at
Yeah, I
home.
know, yeah.
We get them online.
Yeah.
The Amazon,
Yeah.
the other ones I have ourselves.
No, yeah.
I said that I look up online
Yeah.
with the hooks that we have and get her some.
Yeah, I know. Let's set the dishes in the kitchen.
Yeah, so I was saying, what was I going to do? See, I want to do the dresses and the songs, and I'm conscious that, you know, you're going to be going, you know, early, so I'm afraid that if I go doing them now, that I won't get a
Let's
chance to do
start
the
then.
songs. But no, I want to help you with them, but I suppose if we start them, what time is it now? What time is it now?
It's now 5 past 5.
Oh, shite. You see, I wanna do the dresses and the songs as well, you know, and fit everything in.
There's no reason to not do them. We'll do them.
Yeah.
I'll start on these, okay? Then we can get out of here quicker.
Yeah, but I can help you. I wanna watch you how you do it quick, you know. I wanna know the quick method, you know. Because otherwise, like, well, the thing that I was worried about was the strainer. That's why, you know, the strainer and the basin and everything out there, that I felt I needed to disinfect everything again. But I had them disinfected already. I know I disinfected them already. I just said, would I use a little bit more bleach just to disinfect again, just in case? Or no. Enough with disinfecting. Yeah. It's just the strainer, the actual drainer. I see that silver one.
Yeah.
That was over where the cat stuff was. Would I need to disinfect that again?
I don't know, neither do you.
Yeah. I could do.
I'll put that at the baking for the time being. I'll start on the dishes, alright?
Yeah, you don't need it.
No.
Yeah. Okay, I could give that a bit of a. Let me just bring out the bleach. I could just give it a little bit of a disinfectant. So you're gonna wipe the rest of them now? When they're done, they're done. Yeah, this
Yes.
This is a basin, oh
Yeah.
yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. So maybe I take the basin and I put this, or you're gonna want to in there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. You know what I don't have either is a stopper. Where's the stopper? I don't know the
Seven
stopper.
really.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah. So, are stoppers all universal?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, okay, so anything, everything with this, because I'm missing a stopper in that,
Sure, big
so.
one, not small.
Oh, okay.
Two sides.
The stopper out there broke, so the other strainer stopper. So that's, you gotta have a strainer out there as well, since this is strainer. I don't know if the stopper is in there or not. So will you not need the basin to wash them, or are you just gonna wash them?
I'm gonna wash them.
Okay, I'll watch it. But I want to learn to cook the way, you know,
The innovation made in terms of washing the brain is line them up, line dishes up, and constantly put over.
yeah, you're saying that before.
And that's, you then just wash them off.
Yeah.
You don't have to fill in the basin, you don't have to put them up, you don't have to put on gloves.
Yeah. Okay, I'm watching now.
That's the, this is
So
what
now
we watch.
this is all disinfected.
Yeah.
That's pretty much it. And the basin, so that's disinfected, so I can bring that out to the thing. And then the basin is disinfected, right? So I can bring this out here. So that's done, okay. And then that's disinfected, I think it's disinfected. You should kind of walk up and on there. Oh, there, trying to get to the food. She couldn't wait for me to bring out the thing. I said, oh, God. And I used to be really good at dishes, like, I was pretty good until that happened. And then I got totally lost out. I was like, oh, God, you know, she's outside, I was watching later. You know, I just thought everything was dirty. You know, I don't really like the basin as well. So, okay, so I don't need that, but where? So you don't need this. Yeah, bring it out here. Okay, he doesn't need the basin. So I'll leave this there. I can wash the pot and put it away now, actually. Do you want to watch him do it fast? You see how he does it? Are you interested?
Sure, 10 minutes, it's 10 past 4, 10 past 5.
You're going to have it done in 10 minutes.
Yeah, easy, I say 8 minutes. How long did you usually?
For this amount?
Yeah.
Well, I was always quick at doing dishes, I have to say. My aunt is as well. I'm good at the dishes. But what happened was, when the cat was up there, I lost it all heart because I was like, how much did you do there? And what did you do there? put the stuff on before you took out the
Yeah.
Where did you put the stuff on the base?
Yeah, okay.
I didn't watch it. You take that there. Oh, okay, you take that. Oh, okay. Then you do this.
I prefer the way Anne and I do it. Proper is thorough. Proper way.
Yeah. She's done rest of the record, she wants the word rest of for the longest,
But that's the way it's supposed to do it. That's the way it's supposed to do it. The way I do it is the way I do it is the proper way.
Yeah, then we done this all.
Sure. Anne and I do it the proper way.
Do you need it strong? Do you need it stronger? Rinse it out. Under the wash.
I don't overdo it, you know, you can easily spend, I always be spring, you can easily spend, iterating thing. You feel it and you be sure, right? You feel it again, and you be sure again, you know.
And then you're trying to go crazy.
Yeah.
I got to stitch or started looking crazy because I wasn't getting it finished. Then I had them all finished one day and I said, well, I have to go because I have to go to the shop before it got too late. I had them disinfected and I said, well, now I'm going to have to rinse them. Then I moved the water back on again because I'm losing water. And,
You just a bit more wash leave and then you wouldn't either way.
yeah, I was going to say that, but I didn't.
Not that much involved, it really isn't. Not that much more than you usually use.
No.
It is a little bit more, not much more. You, for me, and a half.
We'll have to wipe all these now. There's a lot down here. I'm trying to see if I can learn the quicker way. Since the dishwasher won't be back for a while. I better take her back to the Ken.
Oh, you. Oh. I meant the dishwasher.
Overdo it.
I do have a dishwasher.
Yeah, I do, yeah.
I have, out there.
Oh, yeah.
I have a dishwasher.
You never use it.
I don't use it, but I was using it years ago. And the thing is, I think the reason I'm not using it now is because of the blockage. So I'm afraid of the blockage. So since we came back to the house, I haven't used it. Plus, I haven't opened it in a while. Yeah.
Very nice,
I
actually.
know.
Oh, it is quite nice.
Yeah. The thing is, it's because that is blocked. I'm afraid that it's going to block. So I think that's why I didn't use it. But maybe I could use a dishwasher out here. What do you think? But if it's blocked, if the sink is blocked, I'm afraid. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh, you're putting them over there, but that's where the cat stuff is.
The blue here's that one.
Yeah. Yeah, that's where I'm running into the problem. See, I think the cat's over here. And that's why I'm afraid of not being disinfected enough. See, from here to here, you know, I need to use bleach because I'm just so afraid. I try to keep it
There's
safe
a
as I
training
can.
board. There's a training board out here.
I try to,
There's a training board here.
I try to
Lane.
keep,
Well,
The training board.
well, yeah, it's yeah. We brought that out because he said he didn't need it.
We use the training board.
you can only use this one. Okay, put it in there.
It's hard, I know it's hard because I have restricted space here and it's not, you know, we have to wipe them every room, I suppose, because otherwise it'll be kind of, we can wipe them as they're doing it, but just will that help, yeah,
Over here.
yeah. Yeah, I think that's clean, yeah. Suppose with the brush as well, it's quicker,
Yeah.
quicker than the sponge, yeah.
Yeah.
I started using the brush, I was doing quite well until the cat went up
Probably
in
don't
my
break
head.
anything there, it's very dangerous, if you have it on the draining board, it'd be great to go to plates.
I can start drawing some of these,
Yeah.
so that it's helpful, yeah. That's the one you were using?
You want to use one,
Okay,
right,
yeah.
gas brush?
I might, no, it's alright, I might clean the pots as well, I'm going to wash those pots and get some out of there. I need one for the beans anyway, or whatever I'm going to cook.
So if you ever make yourself another cup of water in there?
I had 5 litre out of the
I
hall.
found my tea bags, I was looking for my tea bags.
Yeah, no, I did, but I was using them, so I bought a new one. Yeah. See, I bought that. And he must have opened it, Lee must have opened it. Because I used them. Yeah, I used them. So then to make up for what I used, you only had about that much in
This
there.
morning I
So.
was using those, I couldn't find my, I was using those ones.
Yeah, yeah. Well, the thing is, for the amount that you had in there, it's about that much, so I had
Yeah.
used that much, so I got that. Because it was just handy, I used to come out here sometimes, and I didn't want to open the box, so it was there, and it was handy.
It's only last minute I found, and I saw them over there, I was using these, I
Yeah,
was using
they were just handy, but it's a nice box, it's got reindeers on it and stuff. It's a Christmas box, nice.
It's Christmas tea box, yeah.
Yeah. I might need to get the 5 litre bottle. I'll just get the 5 litre out of the hall. Are you having enough water in there, do you? I think so, it's for 1 cup. Yeah.
Do you want more tea, Lee?
Oh, okay.
Be sure?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll have to get the 5 litre. Oh, I said I'd watch him. And now I'm not watching. I'm not learning. I get lazy. I'm supposed to be watching.
So they're gone, these aren't dirty bits.
No, they're not, no, because I had them washed either. I had it all disinfected, had it all ready disinfected, you know.
These don't hurt you, these
Well, no, I'd say just give them a rub, you know, like just, you see, and all of these, the same thing as them. But it just disinfected, and then I left them there. Then I said, well, redo them, because I wasn't sure if they were that good enough. But like you said, they were disinfected, they just need us, go with it. Yeah. Yeah, well, I hand these to you when you bring them in for me. After I grab them. Yeah, you don't have to, if you're not doing the press, just leave them on the bottom there and I can put them up. It's just good to get all of these out of here, because when it gets night time in here, it's cold as well, it's hard to, well now that I have the heat, now that I have the oil, it's going to be a help. I have the oil now for the spring, that's in October and the summer. But still, it's good to get it, because at the moment I just need that little bit of, that'd be a big chunk for me to pay out now, you know, to get a load of oil.
Yeah.
So at least I can have the money for something else, you know. So I'm lucky, you know. But I mean, now I'm gonna get the forms tomorrow, or whenever, Wednesday or whenever. Get the forms to fill out for fuel allowance, so we have it the next time, you know, yeah. Oh, you see them here, now these are all washed, aren't they?
There's no room in the press.
Yeah.
I put one in the tree.
Yeah, no, yeah.
The counter.
Yeah, I have to go back with some of those cups, they're not mine actually.
What about these ones on, these ones we done as well, yeah? These here?
Yeah, just a rub, well, I mean, I did disinfect them, but, I just felt they needed to be done again, I thought these needed to be disinfected again, but like you said, maybe. pretty sure I just affected them, I just felt like maybe it wasn't still good enough. I know. Yeah, that's because what happened was, because the cat went up, that's what happened, and I think he had just left that time, and we had a lot of dishes out here. Or else I was just taking them down and I'm washing them, and all of a sudden she walked, and I was like, now what am I gonna do? So I left everything out here, and day after day go by, and I keep using what I had in here, and leaving everything out here, and just kind of making do in there, then I was like, I didn't know what to do with it, I just felt like, she's outside, I'm afraid she's into things, you know, I don't know where she'd be walking, and I just felt it was dirty. I didn't know what to do.
talked to a rodent guy.
Oh, stop, stop.
No, we, in Dublin.
Yeah, yeah.
Anyway, he was there for the park.
Yeah.
Not in the park. Anyway, he told me, that's the problem about it. There's only walk into it,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah. Or it's what the cat walks in.
Yeah.
She's always out in those old rooms there, and you know, I know that was part of the old house, I know that there's stuff in there, but I just didn't know. That's why I don't like her in the house. Although she's very clean today, now she was up in the window and she was licking her paws and licking her head with her paws, cleaning herself. You know, she's very clean, really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Naturally able to.
Clean themselves, yeah.